everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you're new here, hola. I am so excited to do this video. I'm gonna be doing unboxing. Please excuse, I have no makeup on, but my face is peeling. I just came back from vacation with my family, but that's not the reason why you're here. Thank you for clicking this video, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. So I wanted to do a video about this website that I have never ever bought. This is the first time I've ever bought from them. It is a website from, I believe, China. I might be wrong, but they have different listings of items, different listings of sellers, if that makes sense, different sellers, and they have different prices, and they come from different locations, and they have different brands. However, like I mentioned, I have never ever bought from them before. I wanted to do a video about my experience and also do a little unboxing of what I got. I bought the Louis Vuitton small key holder, and the reason why I did not buy it from the store was because it is a hard item to get a hold on. Does that even make sense? It's an item that I'm having difficulty finding at the store. There you go. That's how it is. I'm having difficulty finding it at the store. I did contact my essay, but he's also having trouble finding it. I know it's probably sold out, and there's probably many people that want it, just like me. However, I really wanted to think and say, okay, I wanted to know if this item, I'm gonna really use it. So before purchasing it from the store, so I ended up buying it from DHGATE, the website, and it took 2 weeks, and it cost about $22 flat, with shipping, with no shipping. Yeah, it was free shipping, and it was just $22, which is better than 300 and something plus tax at the store. And I do really want to get it from the store. However, I'm not having any luck, so I ended up just purchasing from them. And whenever it does come in, or whenever it does cross my road in front of me, I will purchase it if I do end up finding it somewhere. Or yeah. So that's the little background on the reason why I bought it. Also, it took about 2 weeks, 22 bucks, and that's as good as it gets. Also, I wanted to mention, I do buy all my bags. I tend to buy all my bags, like replicas or dupes, just for myself, Ashley, to know if I'm actually gonna use it. I don't have the money to just go and buy a $3,000 bag and then not use it and have it sitting in my closet. It just doesn't make any sense to me. So I will buy it from like these type of sellers and then see if I really use it and end up purchasing it from the store. And yeah, then I would know I would get the use out of my money, if that makes sense. Well, it makes sense to me. I hope it makes sense to you. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Okay guys, so here I just opened the box just because I wanted to save some time and show you the product. So yeah, and also in the front it has my information, so nothing crazy. This is what happened after I opened the box. Let's open it and see. It did come packaged, as you can see. Yeah, look how it's the color. Okay, who is ready for this? Oh, okay, this really looks like, so the packaging, the color, I think they got it spot on. The letters, they did not. Well, I guess They're packaged backwards. But yeah, this definitely does not look like the dust bag packaging. But you know, it's just a dust bag. It comes with its stuff inside. So let's see this product. Let's see. I'm not sure. I've never bought anything like this small, so I'm not really sure how the packaging does look. However, I could definitely tell apart that this is, I don't think this comes like that. Let's do it. And okay, maybe we just have to like rip this. Oh. Okay. Okay, so let's see. You know, in camera, it does look, it even like matches my nails, and in camera, it does look more a kind of authentic than it does look in picture. I'm looking at the camera right now, and it does look very differently than what it looks on person. Okay. Let's see. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 key holders. Let me just show you how it looks. You know, it does look more gold on person than in camera. Let me turn it around. I think that it does look kind of authentic. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you not? Do you think it looks real? Let me close it. Let me show you them. So it's like that. Let me see. Let me close it just for you guys to see. How is that look? See in the middle, back, side, and then front again. Let me do a very close up for you can see how does this kind of look. Do you see how the pebble, it kind of feels very canvas when you scratch? It feels very like this kind of, but here you can't really feel anything. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you not? Does this look authentic to your eyes, in your perspective? I don't know, let me know. That's the back again. Let's see. It does have, you know, an insert here to put a card. I don't have a card right now on me to see. It does say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you not? Actually, I'm gonna put all my stuff inside here right now, so I'll do that. So this is my keys. Yeah, it has an ugly fur ball, which we're gonna get rid of. And these are, I really only carry 3 keys. So I did not need this big thing. I really was looking into changing it. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, something else I wanted to show you. It does say Louis Vuitton on the top. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's insert. I don't know. I'm just gonna insert it like this. I don't know. I have no idea if I'm doing this correctly. If I'm not, that's why. My keys, my eye key. Okay, this is my house key. I have no idea how to put this here. Okay.
we're struggling a little bit, trying to put. Maybe I should open it a little bit more. Maybe this side. I'm probably doing this completely wrong. But okay, we got it in back. So 1, 2, 3. And then the last one is in my work key to get in the building. So I will be, let's put this one. Also. Okay. So the key holders, the key chains here are kind of sturdy from what I'm like struggling with.
Now, okay. So this is my key. Let's see if it these are my keys. I just want to show you a visual. Maybe I should take this off. Let's see how it is. Okay, so if I close it, okay, you can still see it. I'm not sure if that's how, you know, I'm not crazy. Maybe I should definitely take it out, which I'll do that. Okay, so I was able to take off this part that I had here, and I put my car key, I put my work key, and I put my house key in here. I want to see how does it like close. Does it close differently? Actually, I do like this, guys. I just want to say one thing. Just this kind of throws me off. I think that it feels very doesn't feel secure. It doesn't feel like good quality. But overall, I give it a 9.5 out of 10, to be honest. And if you look into closely, you can see how different. Do you see how it is? But if you look at it far, you can't really tell that it is a replica a replica key holder. You know, I did try to find this one by myself with my essay. However, I was not able to, and it ranges like around $300. So I decided that I'm gonna get this and see if I like it, and from there see if I do end up using it a lot, I'm gonna end up getting the real authentic one. So yeah, that's it, guys. So briefly, I did end up paying about $22 for this. So yeah, let me know if you guys want more information. Please, I'll leave my info on the bottom, and as always, give this video a like, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye, guys.